Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll cover the element selection options and the shortcuts that Form Titan gives you using the command or control in Windows. Okay, so our first select options is just to select one field. But let's say you want to select an area of fields, so you can just drag your mouse and select all the fields in your area, and then you can just move them around. Let's say you want to select this one and this one. So you want to have the first text and anything else underneath without the account address. So you can hit Shift and then you basically selected both of these. Or you can even select that element and then just move all of them together. Now let's just say we're moving it over here. Now with the control options or command options, I can do Command Z and it will cancel my selection. I can do Command or Control Y and it will redo my undo. And you could do Command C and then or Control C and then Control V and it will copy your element. You can do that with multiple elements as well. So let's cancel that. And you could also do, let's say you want to move this over here, you could do Command S or Control S and your form will be saved.